Hey there, my name is Adam Allure, and today I'm going to show you some map basics for wave boating. So these are some crucial things that everyone kind of needs to know and understand. It'll make their experience of wave boating just that much easier and that much more enjoyable. So first off, let's start with the map filter and map layers functionality. So that's just below search. I'm going to tap that and go through that. So here, this is where I can change the style of the map that I would like. So we've got the default map here. I can do a dark, you see that updating in the background here, or satellite. So there it is. Now I've got the satellite map if I would prefer to use in Wave, or, I'm going to switch it to dark, or just back to default. Okay. Secondly, let's head back there. A couple main things with the display that are important depending on your preference, which is, do you prefer to have a head-up navigation or a north-up navigation? So here's where you can set that. And also you can change whether or not the wave boating map tilts automatically once you start to move at speed. By default, it's set to tilt automatically. If you don't like that, then just untoggle that. And then therefore the tilt of the map is fully controllable by you on the main map screen, which I'll show you in a second here. So I'm going to switch that back to the default condition, head up. Now to show the tilting of the map, you need to be centered on your location. So of course, I'm not on the water right now, I'm on land, but you can see now I see this tilting function just below that teal adding waypoint functionality button. So that's this one. And that allows me to change the tilt of the map. So we've got kind of more of a 3D view. You can see farther down the waterway, maybe something more similar to what you've seen in Google Maps, or if you prefer more of a top-down plan view, you can control that there. Again, if it's set to tilt automatically, once you start moving, the map will automatically tilt for you so you can see farther down the waterway. So you can just leave it as is and let Wave figure that out for you. Or if you'd like a little more control, just turn off that automatic functionality. Next, your zoom buttons once you're centered on your location. So just big buttons that you can tap when you're bouncing away in the waterway. So instead of trying to have to pinch the map. Next, let's go into settings. There's a couple main things you'll want to adjust here. So head to menu and then go to settings, right? So off the bat, this is where you can change the draft. You can change the depth and distance from feet to meters, wind and speed, temperature, coordinate type. Again, we talked about map display, the fuel economy that you prefer, and whether or not you want to share your location when you're actually out on the waterway within wave boating. So you can see other active users out there, or you can choose to be hidden. Next, just one other main point I want to cover here about the app itself is tapping the nautical icons on the map itself will give you more information about them. So, for example, I'm just going to head to this channel marker here and tap it. Okay, so I get a little bit of information. It's a lateral buoy. The flashing there, that's actually the sequence of the light itself. And we add a little bit of extra detail. So keep these on your right-hand starboard side when returning from open water. And there's a bit more details, the object name, shape of mark, and how far away it is from you. So really helpful. If you see something on the map, you're like, I don't know what that symbol is, just tap it. Now you'll get a pop-up. You'll learn a little bit more about it, and away you go. Those are the basics. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team anytime at community@waveboating.com. We are here to help you, and we can't wait to hear from you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.